Ombudsman has suspended Acting Senate Sergeant at Arms Mau Aplasca. This is to make way for an investigation into the gun-firing incident inside the Senate last Wednesday. As for the NBI, it is now considering Aplasca as well as the Senate President and Senator Robin Padilla as persons of interest in the escape of Senator Bato de la Rosa. News 5's Camille Samonte has tonight's big story.
I came here to announce that there was a recommendation and I signed for a 6-month preventive suspension of the Sergeant at Arms of the Acting Sergeant at Arms of the Senate, Mau Aplasca, effective today.
This sanction on Senate Sergeant at Arms Mau Aplasca is over the armed encounter that took place at the Senate on Wednesday, May 13. Ombudsman Boying Remulla said the suspension order is meant to prevent Aplasca from influencing the government's investigation into the incident. The Ombudsman's priority is to obtain CCTV footage from the upper chamber, which would naturally be in the possession of the Office of the Sergeant at Arms or OSAA. Remulla has found Aplasca's actions this midweek disturbing. Aside from being unable to maintain peace and order, the former police major general has admitted to have started the commotion by firing first.
Ang mga pangyayaring ito hindi katanggap-tanggap, lalo-lalo na siya ay gumaganap bilang Sergeant at Arms at siya pa nagpaputok unang putok ng baril. It's worrisome if we allow this to go.
Aside from the OSAA, the Ombudsman will also investigate the NBI and the PNP's hand in the incident. But so far, only Aplasca has been suspended, something which Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano did not take well.
So let me just appeal to the Ombudsman, suspend also the NBI Director because he is more a suspect than General Mau dito. We do not want to set a bad example in the independent investigation, and we do not want to put the Senate in harm's way.
Cayetano believes it should not only be NBI Director Melvin Matipag who should be suspended. The NBI's head of transnational crimes, Attorney Jerome Bomediano, should also be out of the picture for alleged involvement in what Cayetano calls is a Senate attack. The lawyer was supposedly named by the Bureau's confidential agent arrested during the incident. For his part, Director Matipag said the Bureau will fully cooperate with any investigation. The NBI has in its possession body camera footage worn by agents who were working security detail at the adjacent GSIS building when the chaos erupted on Wednesday. This shows how the agents reacted to the initial gunshots that rang out from the Senate building.
Makikita niyo po yung pictures, maglalabasan naman dyan. Narinig niyo naman, sinasabi niya, ang nasilip niya, 2 hanggang 3 tao. Eh, overpower niyo na po yun eh. Kung 2 o 3 tao lang yan, kung totoo man po yung sinasabi niya na threaten sila.
Matipag said the NBI is also conducting its own investigation into the incident, particularly on how Senator Bato de la Rosa was able to slip out of the upper chambers complex. The whereabouts of the senator have been unknown since. Matipag said they are considering Senator Robin Padilla, Cayetano, and Aplasca as persons of interest.
Ang ibig sabihin po, kasi may nagtanong sa akin na paano ba yung kay Senator Bato? Paano siya hanapin? Sabi ko, ang unang-una dapat natanungin dyan ay si Senator Robin Padilla. Kasi siya yung huling kasama. May lumabas na pong CCTV. At saka yan sa Sergeant of Arms dahil siya yung nakakalab ng patkilos doon sa Senado. So to a certain extent, there are persons of interest doon po sa pagkawala ni Senator Bato de la Rosa.
De la Rosa and Padilla reportedly left the Senate building around 2:45 Thursday morning. Our cameras caught this van leaving at exactly that time, though it's not clear who were inside the vehicle. Matibag also hinted that SP Cayetano has more information on where Senator Bato is.
Well, unang-una na po si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano kasi siya po ang Senate President. Siya ang pinakang namumuno sa Senado at sila po yung nagsabi na ang protective custody ng Senado si Senator Bato. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, they have the commitment to protect him, yung kanyang well-being, yung kanyang safety.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.